To be a CEO is sometimes fun and sometimes a bit boring. And we had an MMA meeting today. It was good. Conclusion from 900 slides, it's that 2017 was well done. Congratulations. Increasing market share, increasing revenue in declining markets. The second thing was that M18 is here. M18 goes live. And that basically summarizes 900 slides from today's management meeting. But now we're going to go into a very different setting. So I had a boring moment in November. And I said to my business manager, Phoebe, I am bored. She says, I know. Shall I get you coffee? No, you never do that, so you won't do it now either. But let's create a musical. And she said, of course, a musical? I said, yeah, let's create a musical, invite everybody. And we go to Rachel and say, we want to create a musical. And she says, are you nuts? How can you create a musical? And who's going to write it? We can write it. And she's basically going nuts a little bit more and saying, this doesn't work, it's impossible. But we invited people to, we made some few texts and a few songs and a few things about a transition in the life of Maxis. Because we are clearly always in a transition, aren't we, in the last 20 years, the next 20 years. And we left something behind us, and we come to a certain place, and we're moving on. So we want to take an emotional farewell with the old Maxis and greet with enthusiasm the new Maxis. And we're going to do that through a musical called The Sound of Maxis. So, yeah, exactly. This is really a high-risk proposition. So much can go wrong. When they rehearsed last night, it all went wrong, so it cannot be any much worse than that. But anyway, we had a, what's it called, rehearsed? We had an invitation to people to come and play, and we chose 40 people from your colleagues that were now eager to come and have this show for you. And a fantastic band, minus the drummer. I know, just good try, but it doesn't, you're the second best drummer in this room, I would say. So. But that's okay. So I would like you to enjoy, in as much silence as possible, except for when you want to applaud or whatever you want to do, a very homemade musical called The Sound of Maxis. Thank you.
What, another crappy day at the office? It's just the same old, same old.
Here I am, office again. It was raining this morning. Late to work, queuing for lift. Gods feel like some warning. Buildings high, I'm feeling low. There's just something about it all. Wanna stop more than I wanna go. Don't wanna feel so small. Oh, so nice. It's another day for you and me in paradise. We're office mice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. pretending, running circles, chasing my tail, working hard, just pretending, feeling tired, I'm feeling stressed. There's just something about it. Hope the CFO don't give me a no. Don't wanna feel like a misfit. Oh, so nice. It's another day for you and me in paradise. We're office mice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. So nice. It's another day for you and me in paradise. Office mice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. So nice. It's another day for you and me in paradise. Office mice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise.
Looks like I've got time. Might as well grab a coffee. I just need a signature.
No, get out!
Why so many people want? Always have to wait so long. Waiting a long time, ah?
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling.
Hi, what is your name?
I'm.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I do. I have one for 10 a.m.
But now it's only 9:59 a.m. You will have to wait in the queue. Please continue waiting. I will call you once he's ready.
What? But it's just 1 minute. All I need is a signature. Can I see him now?
Nope.
I've been really trying, baby.
Fine. Looks like I have to wait a lot more.
When I find myself in front of the office, the PA there just looks at me. You will have to wait for him. And then she leaves me hanging in my freshest suit and polished shoes. Comes back to tell me sorry, please do wait. Wait for him. Wait for him, wait for him, wait for him. Be a little patient, please do wait. Just need a signature, and the journey has been oh so long. Just a name on a paper, have to wait. Done this 16 times already, should be used to waiting now. But then she comes again, please do wait. Wait for him, wait for him, wait for him, wait for him. Be a little patient, please do wait.
I know that they are waiting, but I need my tea and privacy. Be a little patient, wait for me. I know it is important to be signature number 17, but be a little patient, wait for me.
He's ready for you now.
Thanks, guys.
I thought it was my turn. Ah.
Hi, Mr.
Ramla?
You rang?
Yes, I would like 3 ox tongue sandwiches, a teaspoon of caviar, 2 karapoliko, 8 curry puffs, 3 oysters, and a glass of teh to wash it all down.
Yes, boss. Okay, boss. Anything for you, boss. I love boss. I serve, boss.
That's all.
Hi, Mr. Nasu. I have this that I need your signature and your approval for.
Have you gotten all the signatures before mine?
Well, Mr. Mutu says that he signs, but he doesn't approve. And Miss Ah Ching, she wasn't in at the time.
Then why'd you come here? I do not like what you wrote here. Go and get the signatures before you come to me. And no more mistakes this time.
Missing the stuff we lost, all that we had those days, missing the annual party. Tablecloths fresh and white, speeches were long and bright. Door gifts were us given, they made us all so happy. Missing the stuff we lost, all that we had those days, missing my sweet little office. 3 walls and door to close, I sit there and pick my nose. I had 2 clean windows and a dream to have one more. Oh, I'm missing the stuff we lost, all that we had those days, missing our very long titles. I was assistant executive senior, the title was so long, and my kampong was so proud. I'm missing the stuff we lost, all that we had those days, miss all the paper around me. Papers showed I worked hard, piles were my own trump card. If some asked what I did, I'd show them my busy desk. Oh, I'm missing the stuff we lost, all that we had those days, miss when we all dressed up nicely. Men in their suit, so neat, women in dresses, so sweet. Everything was proper, not a sneaker could be seen. Oh, I'm missing the stuff we lost, all that we had those days, miss what they call the old Maxis. Talk of the future, boss, creating so many chores. Please leave me alone. This change is not for me. Oh yeah.
Wow, looking good, eh?
Why, thanks. This is my new dress.
What is this? Level 23 is open to the public, but it was a restricted floor.
Let's go check it out.
Let's go. Whoa! What is this place called?
It's called Megabyte.
We make you taste all
Hello there.
Why, hello. Fancy seeing you here again. I saw what you did there. Nice try.
Well, this is nice. Do you think they did this with the other office levels?
I'm not so sure. Let's go check it out.
Hey, could I ask you a question?
Yes, and yes.
But you haven't heard what I wanted to ask you yet.
Yes, I will go out with you. And yes, I love flowers.
Actually, I wanted to ask you whether you had any spare change
Oh.
or whether you had any new lanyards.
Oh.
But the next question I was going to ask you was, would you like to go out with me?
Yes, I would.
Oh my God.
What if people at the office knew that we were dating?
Well, that's okay. We can always keep it a secret.
It's no longer a secret. Ha ha ha. We're gonna post it on.
Yammer!
Well, that was a short-lived secret.
Well, enough of that. Let's go check the rest of the office out.
Hey, what a transformation.
Wow. It's really nice.
Yeah, look at all the colors.
Hey, why do you think they changed it?
Yes, isn't it? It has such a positive feeling right now.
What? But
Well-
why did they change it? Why now?
Well, what we needed was a real makeover. We needed to bring all those positive vibes into the office.
That's great. There's so much energy.
It feels so good that I feel like I'm walking on sunshine.
Now every time I come here
Man, that was awesome.
Yeah, I wonder what else they have changed on the other side. Let's go check it out.
Wow, I'm really feeling so energized. All this sunlight.
I know, right? It's so much energy.
Hey, I just realized after they took all the sections down, we sit on the same floor.
We did?
Yeah, it's just over there, no?
Really?
Yeah.
I never recalled that.
I never noticed that you sat over there until recently.
Oh, I wouldn't have missed the handsome young chap sitting over there.
Hey, wait a second. What do you think these are?
Not sure, but it looks like a door.
A door? Do you know that song?
Yeah. My life has been a series of doors in my face, and then suddenly I bump into you.
Well, that's crazy.
Oh, that's enough. Let's go.
I've been searching my whole life to find this. Hey, wait a minute. Why is it still so dark in here?
I don't know. I guess some things didn't change.
Hey guys, such a lovely day, isn't it?
What? Are you crazy? Shouldn't the blinds be down?
No, we are encouraged to lift the blinds up because of the need for inspiration and innovation.
Oh, I see. Because it is well known that sunshine is one of the key factors in stimulating our minds.
Yeah.
Well, that's right. And I heard that sunlight is a good source of vitamin D.
I don't want to go there.
And right now, everything can be seen clearly.
I can see clearly now the sun is here. I can see all the emails on my screen. Here are the shining lights that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. 'Cause I have my shades, shades on a sunshiny day.
Yes, I can see, oh now the glare is gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. Here's the solution I've been praying for. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. 'Cause I have my shades, shades on a sunshiny day.
Look all around, there's nothing but blue skies. Look straight ahead, there's nothing but blue skies.
We don't care what the others say.
We can see all the emails now anyway.
We have our glasses on and looking cool. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. And I have my shades, shades on a sunshiny day.
Oh, it's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny
Now with the blinds gone, I can see everything so clearly.
Man, this energy, everything is just going from good to better to best. I don't know what to make of it.
I know, right?
Oh, wow, the office, the tables, the chairs, the carpet, the water dispenser. Everything's so nice now.
I know, there's so many colors to it all. And so much space, did you realize?
Have you seen the new meeting rooms?
No, I haven't.
Wait a minute. I can see inside the boardroom.
I think an MMT meeting is happening.
Wow, I see them setting up.
Yeah.
What it's like to be an MMT.
Do you think we should take a selfie while they're setting up?
Sure.
Oh, I look better on this angle.
Oh, sure. Oh, I'm gonna post it on Yammer.
Oh, yeah. I always wonder what it is like in an MMT meeting. Do you know about the MMTs?
Well, yeah, after since Morten came in, he revolutionized a lot of things. Like, where do I begin? Now I know that there's a...
Oh, look, the MMTs are coming in. Wow. The MMTs are such intelligent people. Imagine them having an intense debate about market conditions or discussing about serious business problems. Ah, how I wish I was in the MMT meeting. One day.
Oh, guys. Oh. We are all here. Welcome to this meeting.
Except for Dushan, as always.
Oh, Dushan. Dushan, late. What can we do? At least most of us are here. And this is a very important... typical. Dushan. Okay, fine. Finally, Dushan is here. We can have this very important meeting. Yeah. Okay, Dushan. Stop doing this thing with the food, Al-Sahar. You've eaten 2 lunches today and 2 breakfasts today. This is enough. We have one topic today, and it's clearly very important. Please stop. Okay. Guys, this is MMT after all, huh? Please stop doing this. So the agenda today, guys, is one topic. What was it again?
Okay, we have a come on. We have a very important agenda today. We need to figure out what kind of punishment should we impose on the people who pull the bloody blind down.
That's a great idea for enterprise.
Somebody pulls the blind down?
Yes.
What should we do? Punishment?
Penalty. 1,000 ringgit per staff.
Can we pull the blind
3,000
down?
staff,
No, I want
3 million a month, 36 million a year.
Yeah, 36
That's a great idea for enterprise.
No, wait. I can make sure level 18 and 19 will be okay.
It's 18, 19, okay.
No, we know what to do with the dealers. We incentivize them. We just pay all our staff for keeping the blinds up.
That's even a better idea for enterprise.
Enterprise, yeah.
Enterprise.
You're going to incentivize the
Yes,
staff?
why not?
What do you think, Dushan? Come on, sit down. Don't get so upset. Sit down. Come on. What do you think?
I don't know. What are we doing?
The blinds.
Oh, yeah. Maybe we should just like put something on Yammer.
You have never done anything on Yammer, and you know it.
Yeah, but
I have an idea.
Oh, finally.
Oh my God! No loud voice.
Just listen now. Just listen now.
In English, please.
No.
Go, what idea do you have?
You have an idea?
Can you send an
idea?
email?
Morten bands go in the house.
What do you think, Juju?
Bangsat. Okay, go Bangsat. Bangsat, go.
I think with a print sensor on the blinds button, and then integrate with Workday, and then if someone takes the blinds down, it will automatically go on PIP.
Is that big data or?
That's biometric.
Very small data.
Small data?
Small data. That's biometrics, right?
That's
I don't know.
the best idea we can sell to our enterprise.
Enterprise, okay.
Thank you, Long.
I think, don't tell anybody, but we need to decide this the way we decide everything MMT, with a bottle. So is it a penalty or is it incentive? Let the bottle decide, guys. This is how we make decisions in MMT. We're going to follow Nasu's idea and have punishment.
Are we really?
Actually, guys, this is not how we do MMT meetings. MMT is done more or less like this.
Give me more money, I'll create something new. Grow much more than we ever grew.
Hey, what you say?
No way, no way.
Just give me a target I can sell. Just pay the dealers money they smell.
Hey, what you say? No way, no way.
I get so little, I want more. Give us more money, I'll sweep the floor.
Hey, what you say?
No way, no way. Nobody knows anything at all. Need more training, give me money, give me all.
Hey, what you say? No way, no way.
Everybody spend, but finance is more. We do some bonus and profit will soar.
Hey, what you say?
No way, no way.
Waiting on the big spend on net Tensor, so I want all on a network will flow.
Hey, what you say? No way, no way.
The CEO office is neat and small. Give me the money, we party for all.
Hey, what you say? No way, no way.
MMT think and then decide
with the Maxis way as a common guide. That's what we say. Maxis way, okay.
That's how we do it.
This is that ice cold Michelle fire for the white gold. This one for the hood girls and hood girls with masterpiece. Styling, wildin', living up in the city. Got chunks on with Saint Laurent. Gonna kiss myself, so pretty.
I'm too high.
Hot damn.
Call the police and I'm fireman. I'm too high.
Hot damn.
Make a dragon water and tire man. I'm too high.
Hot damn.
Girls say my name, you know who I am. I'm too high.
Hot damn.
Am I bad about that mother? Break it down now. Girls sit hallelujah. Girls sit hallelujah. Girls sit hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Saturday night we in the spot. So believe me, just watch. Ha! Don't believe me, just watch. Ha! Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh, stop.
Wait a minute.
Fill my cup, put some liquor in it. Take a sip, sign a check. Julio, got the stretch. Right
From
on
Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. Gonna show up, we're gonna show out. Smoother than fresh, y'all skip it.
Too high.
Hot damn.
Call the police and a fireman. I'm too high.
Hot damn.
Make a dragon water and tire man. I'm too high.
Hot damn.
Girls say my name, you know who I am. I'm too high.
Hot damn.
Am I bad about that? But break it down now. Girls sit you hallelujah. Girls sit you hallelujah. Girls sit you hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya.
Saturday night we're in the spot.
Don't believe, just watch. Come on. Ha! Don't believe me, just watch. Ha! Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't just watch. Come on! How? Don't believe me, just watch. How? Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, hey, oh.
Uptown, funk you up. 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 Uptown, funk you up.
Wow, that was great. No wonder people say things are looking up.
Yes, and it is great that we as a company has embraced the positive way of moving forward.
Right? Wouldn't you say that this is what enjoying your work looks like?
Hey, what are we waiting for? No, seriously, what are we waiting for?
That guy. Mike.
I just think we need some more rock and roll. And clearly, you need some more rock guitar. So here we go. Is it loud? Actually, I prefer the drums.
the MMT. And
Give it up for the MMTs.
Give it out to the cast of The Sound of Maxis.
All right, everybody. I'd like to thank everybody for coming out tonight and watching us. I'd like to thank everybody for coming out today. We put on a great event. I hope you enjoyed it. But first, we have a lot of people to thank that were involved with this show.
Yeah, there is a lot of people, so bear with me as I go through the list. Firstly, we want to thank our event organizers who helped prepare the stage and the props and also the lightings on us. Thank you very much, EOs. And we also want to thank our makeup artists for making us look really awesome. Thank you very much, makeup artists.
Third, we got to thank all of the backstage crew because they were really working hard behind the scenes. You can see how big the props were. And they were headed by none other than Chris from Marketing Services. Moving on to the next bunch of people, the lovely musicians. I'm going to start with the singers. We have Danny, Jackie, we have Amelia, Alia, and Syed. And to our very, very talented band, on bass we have C-Sing. On guitar we have Keith. On keys we have G. And on drums and on band coordinator we have Agnel.
We also want to thank our very own Maxis staff, Whitney, Rachel, Lily, and crew. Thank you so much. We also want to thank Vivian, our assistant coordinator. And did you enjoy the dances that were on stage? These are all designed by Faith, our choreographer. There she is.
And we have the mastermind behind all this, none other than the CEO's business manager, Phoebe.
Phoebe.
Oh, Phoebe. And last but not least, he told me not to leave him to last, but our director who put all of this together, all of his hard work, Ben.
Ben.
Come here. Guys, you want to see another song?
You want to see another song? You gotta be louder than this, guys. Let's go.
This is that ice cold Michelle Pfeiffer, that white gold. This world of good girls and masterpiece. Styling, wilding, living up in the city. Got some song with Saint Laurent, gonna kiss myself so pretty. Hot damn! Hot damn! Hot damn! Hot damn! Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Saturday night we in the sun. Don't believe me, just watch. Ha! you up. Uptown funk you up.